is 38, well, 38, 39 kilometers an hour. That's pretty quick. Now, in the world of road bikes, of course, no. Slow it to 35 so I don't have to pedal quite so fast. 33, 32. Yeah, that feels good. It's about 18 degrees centigrade. So at this speed it's nippy. I'm going to stop and check the camera. The one thing I don't like about this camera is I can't hear the little beeper when it goes on and off, but it is in fact on. I just ordered a new DJI. I was looking at getting another GoPro, but for the price of the GoPro 11, I can get like 3 DJIs. And I checked YouTube, which is a good place to look for reviews. And this particular model, I don't remember what they call it now, it's a something 3. It's a pretty good one. They have the 4, and I saw the 6. But it was on sale. The 3 was on sale on Amazon for, what was it, $199, and it retails for around 350 euros. So that's significant savings. Even if I could get it for 250, I'm still saving about 50 euros, or around $60, and getting free shipping. So it should work well. The stabilization is a lot better than the camera on my head right now. That's almost a given. And the color saturation is better. It has a little bit better lens, I would imagine. Beyond that, I don't think there's going to be a lot of difference between that and this Asako V50, which is actually a good camera for $100. Buenas. I've had 3 GoPros and they all died, so I wasn't that excited about buying another one. I mean, if a camera's gonna take a nosedive on me, I'd rather it be a cheap one, and I don't feel so bad. Although I have to admit I got a lot of mileage out of that GoPro 7 Silver. Oh, goodness. This is nice. You're an asshole. Okay, where am I? I'm a little paranoid because I'm in the wrong gear. And this is nasty. There we are. It's been raining. Today it's nice, but it's been raining a lot. So I'm not even sure how all of this is going to go. One thing after it rains are new rain ruts, and they make me a little nervous. This is almost like work. It's hard to see with this camera, but it's steep. The E-hub helps a lot. Because it was overheating, and I've mentioned this in other videos, I turned down the power, but I think I turned it down too much. The Milwaukee's electric controller is adjustable by every amp, so I can change it very precisely. This one has steps, so the next step up is a little bit too much, and this might be not quite enough. On the other hand, if the motor doesn't get hot and last longer, I can afford to go a little slower. Mountain bikes aren't really fast. So earlier, when I was cruising here on the paved road, I was going 39 at spots, which is fast for this bike. 33 is actually quite comfortable for me. 35, in that range.